Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download Instagram videos to your computer.
First, find the video you like and copy its link address. Next, open the 4K video downloader software, and paste the video URL into the program. After a few seconds, a window will pop up on the software interface. Click the download button inside. Then, the software will download the video immediately. After the Instagram video is downloaded, you can click the button next to the video to play it offline or share it with friends.